welcome back to Sisters Forever, and today I'm going to show you how to make Bihari Kabab. So we got the lamb meat, and now this is my dad. He's going to cut the any extra fat from the meat. Bowl to cut the meat into pieces, and he put the pieces in that bowl. We are using Bihari Kabab masala. Oh, it looks so good. Ooh, that's a lot. It's so weird, but it'll taste good. I'm so excited, And then for the tenderness of the meat, we are going to use raw papaya. Crumbly. It looks crumbly. Abby, doesn't it look crumbly? Whoa. Crumbly. Now we are adding onions. Fried onions. So far, this is how the marination looks. It's covering everything. Now we are going to add oil. And the smell is too strong, right, Abby? Ooh, oil. We don't love that. Tiny. And then we add the yogurt. Doesn't have any flavor, but I guess we have to add it. But it's too weird. Oil and right on. Okay. And the last ingredient is lemon juice. So, before the mixing, this is how the marination looks. Whoa, that's so cool. Really? Look at the lemon juice there. It's moving. Look at that lemon juice. Look, over here, Mama. Look, Papa, over there, it's moving. Slowly, slowly, and slowly. Tastes like lemon because it's lemon juice. Now we are going to mix the marination. Your hands will get dirty in the process. more oil. Once you add a bit more oil, keep mixing. The onions need to be crushed. How do you crush the onion? I'm trying to see the onion. Now we are going to put the lamb meat in the marination. The most exciting part, guys. Ow. Alright. So we are
Smells so good.
And once you have the meat,
It smells
in,
so
just
good,
mix
guys.
it up.
Moment of
Blend
truth.
it well.
Yep,
Mix it
blendy,
with the
blendy, blendy,
marination.
like the blender. I can't bear myself. I can't bear myself right now. I can't bear myself. Can you, Papa?
So marination will have to sit for a few hours, 5 hours to be exact. And also before, make sure to add black pepper.
Not that much black pepper, really?
And
Some
then
smell, but still yummy. Look at that gooey gooiness, Papa. Papa. Doesn't it smell good, Papa? Don't use
so
all of it
after
on
we
your
absorb the
glass,
spices, we're going to put it in
Doesn't
the
it smell
fridge.
good, Papa?
And once
Doesn't
the
it
final
smell good,
product comes
Papa?
out, we will share it with you. Guys, this is the Bihari Kabab after taking it out of marination. So instead of just 6 hours, we kept it in marination in the fridge for 2 days. And so now this is how it looks. But before we show you the final result, there are 3 ways that you can cook Bihari Kabab. 1 is the barbecue grill, 2 is the oven, and 3 is the stove. Now, we have already done it in an oven and barbecue grill, but we haven't tried the stove. So this is our first time trying the stove, and we are also going to eat it with homemade naan or parathas, and we will show you the final result once it's done. So our Bihari Kabab is already ready, and it didn't really take that long. Now, this is how it looks before we garnish it and serve it with paratha. This is the garnishing for the Bihari Kabab. We are using onion, so the other end it looks like this. So we are using onion and lemon. This is how the end result of the Bihari Kabab looks like for us. It looks really tasty, and we're going to eat it with parathas. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post another video.